new box today, so you guys are gonna help me open it. It's a little heavy. It says team lift. So I am the team, okay? Now could I ask my man before y'all get started?
Yo, it's for all you hating ass bitches. They be talking shit about me. I'm so sick of y'all bitches. Stop playing with me because I'm playing with y'all.
But your girl been working out, and I will call him if I don't. Good afternoon, chicas. It is Monday, June 1st. New goals, new aspirations, and a lot of new things to create. Which, that's what this box is about. We're about to see what I got in this box because I just cannot stop creating. So, when you're a Sagittarius, when you want something, you get it. If you're a Sagittarius, drop a like, leave a comment if you agree. But we're about to get into this and see what this baby's about. So, let me get a knife or some scissors and we're going to bust it down.
Hands on your knees.
The box is cool. I couldn't find any scissors right now, so a knife is going to have to do, you know? Alright, so be careful. This is a 2-man lift team. But since your girl been doing them bench presses, we about to see if I can do it myself. Now, if I need help, I'm going to ask her because I don't want to break this. It's quite expensive, and when I want something, I'm really obsessed over it. So, I've been... Well, don't want to turn it so you go see what it is before I lift it up. What do you think it is? It's a big box. I don't know. With me. I don't know if this way so you guys can't see it. Oh, you guys are getting me so geeked. It's like a new toy. It was cut so good. Okay, let me stop. You guys ready? I don't think you're ready. You guys aren't hype enough for me. I said, are you ready? All right, let's go ahead and see you guys.